Hello. This is my illustrated water sustainability report for BE 170. And just as a little introduction, I just wanted to say before taking this course, I knew almost nothing about the importance of water. But throughout this course, I've been challenged to calculate my digital water footprint, calculate my daily water usage, and carry a gallon of water around with me all day in order to know what it is like in less fortunate parts of the world. This portfolio will demonstrate the progression of my knowledge of water within this course. I will include components such as my personal water use and cost, food and water footprint, water carry and reflection, an industry water footprint, and a water sustainability comparison. And so this is my personal water use and cost over 2 days, February 5th, February 6th. So the first day, February 5th, I ended using 22.05 gallons, which isn't great, but isn't the worst. And on the 6th, I was able to bring it down to roughly 16.3 gallons, which is better. And for both days, I was just under 40 gallons, which once again isn't amazing, but it's definitely not the worst. And here I've calculated my food water footprint. And so this is where I need a lot of work. I used almost 700 gallons of water consumed, or for the food I consumed, and almost 9,000 gallons for transportation, which I really need to work on. And I've developed some ways that I can help reduce that. And we'll talk about that in a few minutes. And almost 57 gallons for daily consumption, which is very high. None for outdoor and recycle, and which brings a total to almost 9,700 gallons of water consumed, which is a lot. And so this is the water carry and reflection experience that I was talking about in my introduction. And wanted to say after this experience, I'm way more grateful to have access to clean drinking water every day. This gallon of water wasn't super strenuous, but I can't imagine how difficult it must be for third world countries um, to carry around this 5 gallon jug all day, and even more, probably even more weight needs to be carried. The weight of this 5 gallons of liquid is roughly 40 pounds, which is 5 times heavier than the 1 gallon jug I was carrying, which is only 8 pounds. Fair, puts it in perspective. I didn't have anyone ask me why I was carrying this jug around, but if they did, I would tell them I was doing this as a part of a class project to increase awareness and appreciation of water. And here is the business and industry water footprint. So I'm very interested in the business world. I'm a pre-business major here at the University of Arizona, and more specifically, real estate, commercial real estate. Restrooms are a major source of water consumption in commercial real estate. High efficiency toilets and faucets can help reduce water usage in these areas, but frequent use of tenants and visitors can result in significant water consumption. Other sources of water in real estate include kitchen and laundry facilities, swimming pools, and decorative fountains. By identifying these areas of the greatest water usage, property managers can target conservation efforts more efficiently and reduce overall water consumption. And I talked a little about 5 things which could reduce water consumption in this field of work. One would be installing water efficient amenities, using drought resistant landscaping, monitor water usage, recycle water, and finally, you can educate tenants about smarter water usage. And then this is talking about my comparisons over modules 3 and 5. Yeah. And to just kind of wrap things up, this course has taught me many different things about water and our society that I didn't even think of before, quite frankly. I would have estimated I use around 5 gallons of water each day, and I was way off. Not only has this course taught me to be more conscious about my water usage and being more consistent, Dr. Poe has also taught this class in a very thoughtful manner. It makes everyone really appreciative of the environment, and I will definitely be taking things I've learned over this course into account from my day-to-day life. So thank you.